Arbohaven dentures are marketed as a fast and affordable alternative to traditional dentures. But the real question is, are they actually legit or just another overhyped online product? Now, to be fair, affordable denture solutions are something many people are looking for, and they're legitimate temporary denture products on the market. However, this is where the claims start to fall apart. What it claims to do, Arbohaven dentures are promoted as being able to provide a custom, comfortable fit, replace expensive dental work, let you eat and smile confidently again, work without professional dental visits. These are very bold claims, especially for a low-cost online denture product. What it does well, cheaper than professional dentures. Compared to real dental procedures, products like this are far more affordable up front, may work as a temporary cosmetic solution. Some users may find them useful for short-term appearance purposes like photos or social situations. Where it falls short, not truly custom-fitted. Real dentures usually require professional impressions and adjustments. A mass-produced online product cannot perfectly match your mouth shape. Comfort and fit issues. Many complained about similar products mention poor fit, discomfort, difficulty speaking, and problems eating. Overhyped marketing. Phrases like perfect fit instantly or replace expensive dentures at home are exaggerated and unrealistic. So, are Arbohaven dentures real or fake? Short answer. The product itself is probably real, but the marketing is heavily exaggerated. Arbohaven dentures are not necessarily a total scam, but they appear to be heavily over-marketed. They should not be viewed as a replacement for properly fitted dental dentures from a licensed professional. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.